So this extension project, once again, is just working with creating a simple landscape. We're going to go monochromatic. We've divided it up into 4 different areas. And right now we're adding water just to the sky area. So we got sky, slightly rounded mountains, rough mountains, jiggity jaggedy in the front. Okay, so I filled this in here, and this is just on the smaller paper, and I think I have my detail going there. The next thing we need to do is decide kind of on a color. Let's do, I'm going to use a green on that, and like I said, it's going to be monochromatic, and so the back portion here is probably going to be just a little lighter. It'll be darker on the top like that, right? But in with this area here, as we come across, it's just a little bit of pigment. Had a little bit of some hairs there, some furries on that one. So it's just a light application of the green, like that. And now let's come back in and then darken the top, particularly on the corners. Not too terribly much though, right? And the nice thing about this extension project is you can do this while you're doing something else. You're waiting for something to dry. But this just helps kind of show that you're understanding the idea of layering and the idea of value changes as they get a little closer. And so each of these areas, this one is going darker at the top, slightly lighter down here. Then we're going to let that dry. We're going to do the same thing, dark to light, maybe slightly darker overall, and then just continue on down here as we come across. And so that's our sky area. And so now I can just let that dry and go on with the other parts that I'm looking for. So like I said, relatively simple in the area. These are some of the idea thumbnails I had for this particular assignment on those. So that was step number 1.